What's good, YXL here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create the perfect YouTube thumbnail preset so you can get to making your thumbnails quickly and easily. You don't got to keep on reselecting all this. All you got to do is go to your templates tab. If you don't have this, link down in the description on how you can make templates. But this right here, all you got to do is hit the plus right here, create new template. And then once you do that, this window will pop up. You want to pop open the advanced settings. So once this is opened up, you can name it whatever you want to name it. Then you want to make sure it's 1280 by 720 and put it on pixels. And then you want to make sure it's 300 PPI right here. So choose 300, open up the advanced options, choose pixels/inch, and then match everything else. If you want to, you can choose fill with a certain color like white, black, or a pattern or anything like that. I like to do transparency. It just makes what I do much more easier for me. And at the bottom right here, as you see comment, you can put what it was created with, or you can put created by and then put your name. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.